Hi everyone, today we're in Hyde Park Street, lovely part of town. This is a portfolio client that's asked us to look at 2 bathrooms for her after we've completed a bathroom for her a few years ago. Let's go and have a look at the existing bathrooms, and hopefully in a few weeks you'll see something completely different. Hi everyone, we're back at Hyde Park Street. I'm with my designer Anna.
Hi.
Let's go and have a look at what we've created for the client.